Okay, party, we here on our side. Wait, don't want eat chicken, eat Arthur, and here, party. I am Marvin C. Wait, Arthur is dining? Oh my god. Let's go get out, party. Me too. Party, come on. The chicken will also kill me, yes. My good shit. That news! The news again. Breaking news today. A chicken got to ICI kill Otto. You want to see me now? Okay, I know ICI will know in here. Okay, a chicken is Otto York. Otto is dining right now, and chicken going to. Okay, yes. Beep 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 beep. Okay, yes, I am more. I think. Oh my god! Oh no, Percy! Wait, what? Short Poppy has died? Yes. Oh my gosh. Short Poppy has died? No! Oh my god. Oh my god, Short Poppy is dying. Hey, look. Hey, Mr. Wee Wee. Guess what is it? Oh, Short Poppy. He dying? He eat a chicken. I am on a chicken, dude. Short Poppy dying now. I think so, yes. Short Poppy dying. Die, kid, come, Mr. Kid. Yes, I'm coming. Why you want it? Yuck. Okay. Short Poppy done. Do not cry, do not cry, do not. No, no. Do not cry, do not cry, do not cry. Forcing. Do not cry, Thomas, do not cry. Short Poppy is dying. The news! Breaking news today, I'm a news guy. Jenny, wait, what? You're the news guy? Right now? Okay. Today, Short Poppy died in York the hospital. Guys, York the hospital. Okay, at the hospital right now, here's Short Poppy. He died in York. He dying right now. Short Poppy. Corn. Wait. I hear the hospital. Short Poppy made me a news guy, guys. I a new one, okay? Yes. Short Poppy is dying, Percy? Yes, I am more Short Poppy dying. We're going to see the hospital. Yeah. Yes. Come on, Percy. Yes. Oh my god, Short Poppy will die. Yes, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I am on Short Poppy is dying. I am on. Calm down. A little bit, calm down. Wait, what? King, Mr. King? Jenny, Mesa, Jenny, calm down a little bit. Yes, I'm right. Look, he will die. Look, he had cancer. Wait, he had cancer? Yes, look. Yes. Okay, he died in close, yes. Hey guys! Hey! What are you wanting? Agents? Nothing! I'm gonna see Short Poppy die. Yes, see ya. I miss you, Short Poppy. Jesus, help me. Me too, Jesus, help me. Short Poppy is dying. Yes. Go to your house, guy. You go to your house. Yes. Okay. Do not cry. Go worry. Short Poppy, but go to Hannon only. Short Poppy going to Hannon. Okay. Yes. Bye. Waiting. Bye. Short Poppy die. I am more. What should I probably be dying for? See, I am more. I want more. I'm so sad right now. Me too. Yes. Hey, Dianco? No, Keen? Amelia? Yes, what is it? Okay. Hey, it's Suki, sir! No, see that my husband, you stupid ain't. Wait, you say F4? No, shut up, no, shut up, no. You mother. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. Hey, start an order of video. Don't like video. I want to do your yoke. Calm now. Make sure probably dining. Yes. I think. Yes. Hello guys. I think Chop Bobby is dining. He had cancer. Wait. Hey guys. Oh, can we take miniature? Hey, guys, I packed the wife. I put the video on. I put the video on. Yes, I shot Bobby and go. I don't wanna die. Hey, see me? I want go so much videos. I want see me. Okay, bye.